Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? How are you guys? Can you hear me nice and clear? Can someone please confirm? And let me get everything sorted. All right. All right. Just waiting for a confirmation that my sound is good, that you can hear me. Audio good. Lovely. Ice cream mango. I love mangoes, man. I mean, I come from India. Mangoes are so good. I just love them. So, start of the London session was amazing, amazing, amazing. Basically, had this theory that I wanted to play out. We were in this mentorship call in the morning, discussing what the price action could be, and I was like, yeah, anything that's above this area is a long. But if people would have waited for this candle to happen on the here better. So I was like, anything above this is a long. I mean, even if someone would have taken a long right over here, would have been a lovely, lovely trade. You know, they could have used this as a stop loss. You know, maybe a 1 hour or a 1.5 hour, or maybe more, 1.7 hour. Not bad. Like they would have got something, right? But the best was that we ended the call and I was like looking at the charts and I was like, look, a beautiful, beautiful 90-minute fair value gap. And we have just tapped into it and we are trying to bounce out of it. So I was like, cool, let's see what we have here. And what we had here was the Q1 low, a sweep of the Q1 low very nicely, and then straight away push up and leaving a fair value gap. The moment there was a fair value gap, I was jumping up and down and I was like, there it is, that's the trade, and enter the trade here. Didn't wait for this inversion to happen or anything else, just entered it and started targeting previous day high. I got pipped out over here because I was moving my stops quickly. I was like not so concerned about staying in for that extra half hour, get rich. If I don't get that half an hour, I'll be poor, like that. I was not thinking like that. And I just basically went and just took the trade, took the TP and got out. And then chill, relax. And then came the second trade. And the second trade was basically based off this order block, that order block which led to the sweep of previous day high, right over here. So since this order block swept previous day high, when price came back into it, I was looking at, okay, what liquidity do we sweep and how do we react? What liquidity do we sweep and how do we react? And then I went down to 2-minute time frame. And price was sweeping this liquidity. I'm like, okay, can you give me a change in state of delivery? No, you can't. And then it pushed down again. Where did it push down to? Sweeping these lows, just minor sweep of the lows, right? But minor sweep of lows of an order block which has swept previous day high is crucial. And I was like, cool, where did you come here from? You came here from this specific candle, this specific 2-minute order block. The moment we basically closed this candle, I took another long. And that long basically took me to just 2 hour. It was a simple theory, 2 hour and I'm out. So stops were under this candle's low, just aiming for 2 hour and that's it. Straight 2 hour. And luckily for me, I think my stops would have been a bit lower because my 2 hour was literally the top of this candle. I literally got pipped out. So my stops would have been somewhere a bit higher, right? And the top of this candle took me out and that's it. After that, the market went down. Now, what am I looking at now? This was the whole history of me trying to trade the markets, me trying to see what the market has to offer, which is now out of the way. Nobody gives a fuck. Nobody gives a flying fuck about what happened earlier. What people want to know is what's going to happen now. And what's going to happen now is very, very simple. We have basically left back-to-back fair value gaps on the 5-minute chart. We have swept previous day high, so that liquidity is gone. Can't think about that liquidity. We have reached the 200% of these back-to-back fair value gaps on the 5 minutes, right? Now the point is, do we extend lower? Do we go down below weekly open? Do we go down towards 400, 500, 450%? Then let's see these fair value gaps. 200% has not yet been achieved. So I would expect the price to at least go down and sweep this London low, because Q1 low has gone, that's fine. Sweep this London low properly, and then you can make a decision on whether the price wants to come back, because this will be the target initially. When the market opens, it might push higher to come down. So if it pushes higher and we see a rejection over here, there could be a very good trade which could form basically something along these lines, that the market might come in, push a bit higher, right, quickly, and then we will see a change in state of delivery or a trading below true day open. If we see that, we could enter, and if we get a good entry, a trade like this, put the stops here and just target Q1 low, yeah, 250% maybe. Maybe the entry might be a bit higher, something along those lines. If we get a 2-hour trade, that's the simplest thing. If we get a 2-hour trade there, okay, you could take a trade from there to 250%. If we keep going lower, Asia low could be the target. You could basically have a 6-hour winner. So that's one way. The other one would be, let's say the market opens and starts going lower, sweeps the London low, and then reverses. Well, that would be fun, because the moment that happens, I will be looking at this area. I will be looking at this fair value gap then. So if we go down to sweep London low, I'll be thinking that the price would want to reach out for this daily fair value gap, which is around, a good $130 move to the upside. So both the cases can happen. And when you have these sort of days, right, where both the cases can happen, sometimes the market just plays with your emotions and does not offer you any case. And you are basically like, oh, I know where the market wants to go. And you see that, oh, it's going there. But it goes there so quickly that you don't get a chance to enter the trade. So, well, I'll basically be honest. If that happens, that happens. I've already had my 5-hour for the day. Well, realized around 4-hour. And if I don't get anything, I don't get anything. But we will try to get something. But otherwise, we are all here. We are all here to learn. We are all here to see how the market plays out. And we are all here to have some fun. So, yeah, that was me blabbering around for a bit. Now, how are you guys? We still got 6 minutes, so let's just talk about you. So Danny is here. Hello, Danny. Ice cream mango. Yeah, good. Nick, hello. Geo, man, your emoji game is so crazy. And you have started using my Squid Traders emoji, man. That's cool, right? I made some nice emojis, didn't I? Geo, they're fun, right? Liquidity taken and all that shit. It took me 15 minutes of conversation with the ChatGPT to basically make him understand what I really wanted from him. But the motherfucker was slow. Barcelona life. Hello, man. Hello. Hola, hola. Hola, amigo. Amigo is what? Spanish, I think. Tom Mass is here. So Tom has changed his username to something that I can spell, I guess. Are you Tomac? Like Tomas? Are you Tomac? Or are you some other Tomac or Tomas? Like, are you the same person or a different person? Do let me know. Cool. So let's see what's happening in the world of gold quickly. So gold on the daily, yeah, it's still indecisive, guys. I mean, I would still love to see gold crash. Or are you a Tony? He could be a Tony. I mean, depends whether he's a Tony Stark or some other Tony. If he's Tony Stark, we all love him. If he's some other Tony, then boo. So gold, really don't know what's happening right now. Really don't know. I mean, the aim will be to see how we react inside this fair value gap. So this will be the crucial one. If we can get rejected from this, then this will be fun. Oh, you're Tomac from Discord. See, I told you. I knew who he was. So if we get rejected inside of this fair value gap, that would be fun to see how the market responds to that. So keep an eye on this. If we start trading above it, then my thesis that the bull market is over might be over. So yeah, that could happen as well. But yeah, just let gold. I'm very much unsure. I mean, you know me. I will say when I know something is happening or something is not happening. So it's very simple. My thesis might be completely wrong on gold, and I'm thinking the bull market is over. The bull market might be starting. But as of now, nobody gives a fuck about gold because nobody can trade gold on their prop firm accounts. So let's quickly look at ES, where ES is. So ES is ES. Let's quickly look at the daily first. So previous day high gone, that's fine. This also gone. We have gone back into the daily fair value gap. Okay, so there is some SMT happening on ES because we have taken this high as well. Whereas on NAS, we haven't taken this high yet. So there is SMT happening on ES and NAS. So it's about what the market does on open. That's what's going to dictate how the market reacts. Like if the market starts going down and we start seeing change in state of delivery, I might just take a short position. So yeah, let's just keep our eyes peeled, open, statically on it to see what happens here. All right. Oh, everything aside, I have not yet logged into Top Step. Top Step came down with some nice, they removed some volatility checks that they had, so that's good. At least good for some people who trade gold, because it was blocking a lot of people from trading anything, to be honest. So yeah. And also, Apex is running a 90% discount. If you guys want to kind of use the discount, you can use their own discount coupon, not mine, not anyone else's, their own, which is Save Now. So I don't get anything from that. It's their money. They're just a discount coupon. I just wanted to share it with you. So if you want, you can use that. Other than that, massive changes are being done to Funded Ladder. As we speak, we are expecting, we have done a major release recently that was more back-end release to basically increase the security side of things, to make it better, faster. But more changes are coming to Funded Ladder. It's going to be much more fun to use it. The UI side changes to make it more user-friendly, more better. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that part, because I'll have to do it. There's a lot of testing that I'll have to do before I release that. So this is basically, it's not even that, it's this one. The trend liquidity was not from Asia low. Trend liquidity was from here somewhere. And all of it was taken and then the rejection. I think we just keep going down. Yeah. Let's see how the open is. Only 1 minute to go. So not even 1 minute, to be honest, 30 seconds to go. The thing is, we are trading below new 2-day open, so that's a good thing. So if we can see a retest of it and a rejection from there, I would like that personally. That would basically make me want to take a shot. But if we just push straight away down, then I don't have an entry as of now. So yeah, I'll have to wait and watch what happens. Okay. By the way, I'm not reading comments yet, so when I read it, I'll let you know. So London low is taken straight away. Now it's about whether we keep going down or we leave a fair value gap here and we keep going down in the next 1 minute. That's what I want to see. 1 minute has no fair value gap. That's the 5-minute fair value gap that I was talking about, I guess. So quick sell-off towards Asia low. London low is gone. We are seeing a nice displacement candle on the 1 minute as of now. I'm not going to take a short straight away. I'll just let it play for the first 5 minutes and see what the market wants to do, and maybe then decide to take a position. Before that, I don't think there is a position. It's just praying to God that the market keeps going in your direction if you're trading below before the first 5 minutes. In my honest opinion, it's like you take the trade and you're like, please God, please take it down. Please take it down. I request you. I beg you. So yeah, just wait and watch. Let the market play out for the first 5 minutes. Once the market has done its thing, you can maybe take a trade. So yeah. So cool, good. Let's see underside test of the London low. So underside test of the London low. Just wait and watch. Let the market come to you instead of you trying to go and run behind the market. So no fair value gap left. So that's something to note. Let's see what happens here. So market is, that's a good reaction. Let's see if we can leave a fair value gap on the other side in a couple of minutes. 15 seconds is looking confused. It's like, I want to go down, I want to go up, I want to go down, I want to go up. So let's see whether it wants to push down or not. We'll get to know pretty soon, I think. If Asia low is taken, then I think we'll get better answer of where the market wants to go, because there's no fair value gap as of now. So there's no trade that you can really take. All you can do is wait and watch and let the market come to you. As of now, I don't see any trade. I see we have a nice cricket match to look forward to this coming Sunday. Yes, sir, yes. It is India against South Africa, if I'm not mistaken. If you want, I can be live on YouTube. I'll not be wearing a mask, though. No. I'll do it on Discord. I promise I'll do it on Discord without a mask, so you get to see my lovely little Indian face. And you can basically, if you don't like the cricketers, you can like me, like, Shaq, do whatever you want. But we can watch it together. We can do a Discord stream of India versus South Africa. Oh, it's Niels. By the way, guys, since he has told you he's Niels, one thing I can tell you, the guy is a good trader. He's in our Discord. Use him. He's smart. He's doing the right things. He trusts his process. So it's not necessary that everyone who does a YouTube is a smart trader, and it's not necessary everyone who has a following is a good trader, right? Sometimes there are hidden gems who are just walking around and you don't know. So use him, learn things from him. He'll be good with you. I hope so. If he's not, then let me know. I mean, all I can do is I can try to complain to his children who have been keeping him busy. So other than that, like, give him bad grades in exams. But yeah, for me, it's simple, man. But, when I was starting this community, obviously I was leaving Whale Room and I was like, okay, what do I do? And like, yeah, cool, I'll start my own community, because it was always in my head to do something. And even in my Zooms on Whale Room, I always used to say, I've never done all this shit. I don't know how to be nice. I don't know how to be, what does it take to be an influencer or a YouTuber? I still don't know. I still don't know whether I do YouTube in a good manner, or is it the most boring YouTube ever in the world. I have no fucking clue about that shit, right? But for me, one thing I know is that before doing Zooms, I was a trader. I mean, my day to day was basically just trading, and believe it or not, like, I never had a following. I had 0 persons following me. I mean, the only person on my Twitter who used to follow me was my wife, and thanks to her, at least I had one follower. And I just never used to understand why were these people so popular, people who were influencers. And I was like, why are they popular? Like, their trading is so shit. Like, there was this guy, Trader SZ, right? I basically was looking, and he was good. He was very good at predicting some of the crypto markets. But I was like, how did he get so popular? Like, what do you do to get popular? I still never got an answer to that. I still don't know. I mean, I'm talking to ChatGPT every day. I'm like, dude, why don't my videos go viral? He's like, because you're shit. I'm like, cool. Thanks for letting me know. I'm like, it's like, show your PNL on. He literally said that, show your PNL. I'm like, no. Like, PNL, okay, fine. Not on YouTube. Discord is another story. YouTube is like another story altogether. So, yeah, I told him I'm not going to show my PNL. Fuck you. And he said, fuck you back. And I'm like, cool. So there's nothing right now, guys. We need some sort of reaction here. We need some sort of confirmation, whether it is going to come here or, it's going to go down first and then come up. I think it's going to be a wait and watch part. First 5 minutes have passed, so we might get, reaction soon. We might get to know where the market does really want to head towards. If it is down, that's fine. We'll take a short. If it is up, we'll take a long. It's just wait and watch for now. Most of the time, it is best to just let the market come to you instead of you trying to kind of predict the market where it wants to go. So, especially in New York session, I'll always recommend just let the market come to you. Let the market confirm what it wants to do before you jump in, because most of the time it will whipsaw you out and it will kill you. You'll either position bigger than you wanted to, and it will just kill you in like one candle. It will just wipe you out. So yeah, my 2 cents is just let the market come to you most of the time, especially in New York. In London, you can still take a little bit of risk by preempting the trade, because the market doesn't move so much in London. It's like, okay, fine, there are decent moves, but like not massive moves. So you can still protect yourself if you're position sized correctly. Like, most of the time people are not. So that's another story. That's another problem they have, that they don't size the positions correctly, and then they cry, oh fuck, I fucked up. Well, you fucked up because your position was not right. You were trying to trade a market which might move against you in a wrong way. So obviously you're gonna get fucked. So yeah, as of now, we are just waiting for confirmation. Most likely the confirmation will be towards the downside, but again, Asia low is just below us. So I am a bit skeptical about how price reacts to that. I want to see how price reacts to that before jumping in, but let's see. I'm not going to say I'm not going to short, but I just want to wait and see what happens here. Good afternoon, Gomez. How are you? Well, that's the biggest compliment you have ever had. Neil, bro, it's not about, see, trading is a very weird game, right? It's a very lonely game. Most of the time you're in a silo, most of the time you're doing it yourself, nobody is looking at you and nobody is appreciating the work that you put in to learn, to get better, to get to a place where you really see yourself being one day. So a small somebody recognizing that you are doing something right sometimes is the most important thing, right? uh, and trust me, you are doing something right. You are basically, I like people who stay true to their style of trading. Yes, you can learn from me, I can teach you a lot of things, but there is a unique style that you are associated with. When you stay true to that thing, more so than not, you'll be successful because you understand your personality more than anyone else does and you're staying true to it. So yeah, I mean, just trade the way you trade. I think that is the best thing you can do to any one of you who basically is trying to learn, who has their own style. Stay true to it. It's not, you don't have to change your style to be a successful trader. Yes, you should learn from others. Like, you know, like in mentorship, I teach people, right? I tell them what I think is the right way to do something. But then I also tell them one more thing on top of it. And that is very simple. Whenever you trade, you have to understand that I can only teach you how you can do things, but you have to get better and make your own way. That is the goal of the mentorship, right? That your way. So for example, maybe Niels already has his own way. And that might be a mixture of what I do and what he does, and then together all of them, all the bullshit together, mix multiple types of shit together, it might become a bloody pancake. Kind of a story. I don't know. I've never heard that saying ever in my life. I just made it up. That was such a nice one though. Oh my goodness. Rainbow cake. Mix different type of shit together. You might have a rainbow cake. It might not taste. Oh, fuck it. All right. So just waiting. I think it's going to be a long wait because the market is not leaving any sort of gaps anywhere. I want to see what's happening on 2 minutes. Fuck me. Yeah, even 2 minutes. I mean, I can't take a trade until we are above this. So till the time we are trading below this area, there's no trade. Till the time we are not sweeping that Asia low, there is no trade. I mean, there is fucking no trade. I might be liking a short here. Okay. Let's see. Give it a couple more seconds. Yeah, it might just go away now. Yeah, it's gone. I might have taken a short, but it's a nice rounded bottom, so looks like it wants to go higher now. So yeah, just wait. Let it go above this and close above this. Yeah, at least a 1 minute candle to nicely close above this and leave a fair value gap. Something has to be there before we jump in, right? There has to be at least one thing that confirms there is a trade. Until it is there, we just can't do anything. VWAP sitting just on top of true day open. Nice. True day open itself is enough. Like volume weighted average price, like Gio, I mean, you just mentioned VWAP. I don't know whether you understand what volume weighted average price is. Do you know exactly what it is, or shall I try to explain? And why is it used, and when it is used? Tell me if you understand it. I'll skip it, and if you don't, then I'll just go into a bit of detail about what exactly it is used for. Cool. Yeah, let's see. There's no fair value gap. I don't have a trade yet. So. Boom, 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 boom. Nothing. No fucking thing. Gold, somebody said, is flying. Oh, that's a beautiful open by gold, man. Have we gone above those areas that I was mentioning? Yes, we have fucked those areas open. Oh, nice. Previous day high is the next area of importance now. So we have these back-to-back fair value gaps. We are just about to reach 200%, and yeah, previous day high. I'm not going to trade gold in New York session, just FYI. Okay, I'll explain. So volume weighted. Okay, just give me 1 minute, guys. Let's just get back to trading for a second. I want to see what happens here. I'll keep my eyes on it. So still no fair value gap. Just price pushing, nothing. Okay, so what is volume weighted average price? So in terms of the formula, volume weighted average price is basically taking volume, so previous close and volume of the previous candle into account to calculate the moving average that is associated, right? So that's what volume, that's the formula, very simple. But where is it used? So most of the investment banks and hedge funds, they cannot place their orders all at once throughout. So they maybe have like let's say, for example, they want to buy Apple shares, but they want to buy Apple shares worth $5 million. Now they don't wake up like us and just place a market order, right? Click buy and that's it, they're done. So what they normally do is they have algorithms which are running in the background, and the job of the algorithm is to basically place the orders throughout the day and basically place them based on volume weighted average price. So let's say the price moves up quickly, what they will do, they'll place limit orders on the volume weighted average price, because that basically that is the mean price that the market should be, that the market says is a good price to buy based on the volume that's associated. So when you see volume weighted average price, I don't see it as a resistance or a support. More of I see it as, okay, this is where some executions will happen. So volume weighted average price for me is just, just a price action. That's it. That's if you have a big order scale that you want to publish, you just use that. Otherwise, I don't use the VWAP ever. So that's my 2 cents, and that's where it is mostly used. It's just mostly used to kind of entries. You are basically saying, okay, my limit orders are going to be based on volume weighted average price. As volume goes, as that moves down, I'll place my orders based on that. So yeah. Point of control is different. So when you're talking about POC, you are basically saying in the last number of X number of bars, this is where the most volume was traded. That is different. Volume weighted average price moves as price moves. As price goes higher, the volume weighted average price might go higher as well. But so think of it like this. What is an SMA? SMA is just a mean of the last X number of bars. What is an EMA? EMA is the exponential of that mean, right? Similarly, volume weighted average price is basically volume plus the mean price that you were getting. So the weightage in volume weighted average price, the weightage of the bar with the most volume will always be the highest. So when you look at NASDAQ, you will see that most of the time during London and Asia session, the volume weighted average price is of no use. The moment New York opens, it has a massive up and down tick. Why? Because there is a lot more volume that is traded during this period. Whereas in crypto, you will not really see that much of deviation because the volume traded is consistent. So I think we have inverted. No, we haven't inverted. So my bad. Sorry. So we have basically trading inside of. We have not left a single fair value gap. So I don't have anywhere to play from. So I'm just going to wait. Even though London low has been swept, we are seeing a nice reaction above it. It's just that there's no fair value gap where I can play the market from. So I just have to wait and watch. I mean, I have to be, believe it or not, more bearish than bullish at this point of time. Just because we haven't really left a fair value gap on the bullish side. We have not confirmed anything. The only thing that you have is, until you have a fair value gap, you can't say that there is displacement. There is lack of displacement for sure below London low, but there is no displacement outside of it yet. So you just wait. Cool. Roger that, no problem. So yeah, just wait. That's fine. I mean, waiting is good. Waiting is nice. Waiting is fun. The longer you last in this wait period, the better it is for you in the long run. I am, to be honest, liking a short position now. I'm just trying to see from where can we enter that short position. So this is the point. Okay, just give it a couple more seconds. Let me just confirm a nice change in state on the downside. If we get it, I might enter. No, we didn't. So it's a lower time frame trade. If I take one, it will be a very sharp SL. So something along these lines, I'm trying to see if we can get it. So this way. So basically take it down to a shallow. I am liking the price action. I'm waiting for a 15-second closure to happen. It might just rush through. Okay, it fucking ran through. Fuck me. All I was waiting for was a 15-second closure, you fucking shithead. Okay, I think I'll not even get 2R now. If we get some sort of pushback, oh, maybe we will get 2R. Okay, no, this goes way, no, A shallow is here. We'll not even get 2R. Let's see if it comes back and gives a retest, maybe enter from there. I was looking at, so what I was looking at was this. So this basically, so I was just waiting for a change in state of delivery after this this area. So retest of this was done and I was like, okay, if we get a closure below this candle, I can go because the previous candle did not close below it. So I was like, just close below that and I'll go in. But the market said, fuck you. And which is normal day to day for me, I think. Market just keeps saying fuck you to me. But that's fine. That's fine. We'll get another opportunity. If we do, that's fine. Otherwise, even if we don't, that's also cool. I mean, let the market do its thing. We will get an opportunity on higher time frame then, because this will be the first fair value gap of the day. So in the next 15 seconds, it should be confirmed, and once it is confirmed, we can take a trade from there. The only issue is the targeting. We'll have to see. 5 more seconds. So after 5 seconds, I will enter a trade. So this will be my entry. Stops will be above there, and I'll enter. Okay, cool. Fucking click. Okay, I am in. My entry is somewhere around 24,813. Let me just type it down here. 24,813 is my entry. So this is my entry, and stops are above here because the only reason is this is the first fair value gap of the day, and we have already tried to taken all the liquidity from up there and then come down. If this ends up being the turtle soup on London low, I will straight away enter the other side of the position. I will not hesitate to enter the long if this is inverted quickly. If it's not like we don't get rejected from here and we start going higher, I might close it straight away. So just letting you know. What I would think it's going to happen is it's going to try to push down, but if it doesn't, then yeah, I'll just close the trade straight away. This might be the first trade that you might see me just close, not even wait. So let's see. At least for now, it's a good retest of that fair value gap and a rejection. But you want to see a confirmed rejection, which has not happened yet. So you just wait, let the market do its thing. If it gives a confirmed rejection, that would be great. If it does not, then voila. So yeah, just waiting on it to confirm. Any questions, anything? Talk about your FEG, use it like bait on your hook concept. Yeah. So still a good rejection even now. I'm liking it. Let's see how this candle closes. Let's see how this candle closes. I'm seeing a lot of liquidity being built up on the upside, so I'm just a bit concerned. Not as much as I should be, but just a little bit, tiny bit. Yeah, this was my concern. So I think this should be, if we get rejected again, this should be the protected high, but we need to get rejected soon. Yeah, if we invert this, I'll close this trade, just FYI. If this candle closes above it, I'll close this trade. And it will be minus 1 hour, that's fine. Minus 0.5 hour if I close it early. So waiting for an inversion before I close, just letting you guys know. Okay, fuck it. It will be inverted for sure now. Dun. But I'll wait for 9 more seconds before closing. What if the market just goes down and it's not inverted? 3 seconds, 2 seconds. And I'm out of this trade. Around 0.5ish hour minus. I'm just closing this trade now. Yeah, I'm out. So around 0.5 hour minus 0.5 hour. So let's just put it here. I'll just wait now. Let the market do its thing. If it goes down again, I'll take another opportunity, but just let it do its thing. Dun. No casino, be patient. Dun. Oh, nice balanced price range just left over here. Okay, this is now the decision area for price. Let's see what happens in this. So I don't care about this right now. I want to see is a reaction here. So what you want to see is a push through very quickly, and if it can push through the previous high, that would be most likely a nice long opportunity. So let's see whether it's able to do that. Decision time. Okay, trying to. Good boy. There it goes, and now I can't trade it. I can, don't worry. I'm just waiting for it to give me some opportunity. And the more you wait, the better for you. It's as simple as that. Don't get overexcited. Don't lose your patience. Sometimes I feel like I lose my patience, but so 2 minutes, another. We might get higher prices here. If the 1 minute can keep pushing, we might get more higher prices. Wow, that's a nice little push. Damn it, this candle is not stopping now. All right, looks like I might not get a trade. That's fine. Even if I don't, I'm quite okay with it. Not going to run behind and try to force something. Because another trade that might come from here, if we leave a back-to-back fair value gap on 2 minutes, let's say, like even over here, below, we might have an opportunity to long from there, like take it to at least 200% up here. So that might be a good trade to take. But yeah, it's a wait and watch time, guys. Nothing is confirmed yet. Because I can't take this. It's a massive stop loss. Like if you are to take this trade, I think it was a failed opportunity for me. Maybe the 15-second candle kind of played on my head, but this was a good trade initially. $101 stops, and then maybe go for a 2 hour. That's a good trade to have, honestly. But again, you'll need to see what's best. I think I basically got lost on that 15-second push down that changed my bias to go more bearish. Maybe that was incorrect. So it's part of the game, right? It's that's what happens. This is what trading is. But I will be looking at this trade, to be honest. If we leave a back-to-back fair value gap right over here, I will try to see if I can find an opportunity like this. So for that opportunity, what I'll want to see is a closure of the 2-minute candle, a 1-minute candle going back inside and doing a change in state of delivery, and maybe I'll get an entry over here, and I can use that 1-minute candle's low or wherever it retests as the stop loss and take a trade from there. So yeah, that's something that I will be watching. If I get it, it's good. If I don't, I'm still okay with it. So hopefully I get it. Hopefully it comes and plays out the way I want it. But yeah, because this will be the confirmation of the 2-minute fair value gap, 2 seconds. Yeah. So the 2-minute fair value gap is now all but confirmed. Now you want to see, I'll enter a trade here. I'll enter a long position. Okay, cool. Entry is just a little bit up. My stops, I will place it under this candle's low. If it retests, I'm out, and I'll just go for a 2-hour, quick 2-hour. Cool, let me just move my stops in the nice little area. First TP will be the 100% extension, and the second TP I'll just exit on 2-hour. Or to be honest, I'll just go for the 200% uptick. And let me go back to the 1-minute candle. Cool. Cool, this looks good. Yeah, cool. All right, I'm in and everything looks good. I'm just trying to see whether there is a place to take some sort of early TP or move our stops. Yeah, there is. I'm going to move my stops to the body of this candle's low. So this will be my new stop loss. It looks like a good area on the 15-second as well. So I hope it doesn't turn back. And even if that does, it's going to be a very small loser. So I feel it's going to be a good place to place my stops and just protect my position completely. So let's see what happens now. India is beating the hell out of Netherlands right now. 16 overs, 150. Not really. They're not beating the hell out of them, but that's not a bad total on Ahmedabad wicket. So let's see. So 15 seconds. These are crucial 15 seconds because you don't want the market to come a bit lower than where it is right now. You want it to bounce quickly from these areas. If it's able to bounce quickly from these areas, then you can basically say there's another fair value gap, and you can even you can think you're protected in terms of your stop loss. That's what my thought process will be. So let's see what happens here. So there's another fair value gap right here now, which would have led to a 5-minute fair value gap confirmation as well. So there is one here. The second one is now being formed. That's fine. So let's see if we can push higher. The aim is to see if we can push higher into this 100% so we can TP and move to break even as well. And just to finish our risk completely. So let's see. Crucial candle. Crucial 1-minute candle. It will be more or less a decision-making candle. What you would want to see from this candle is literally smashed, oh fucking hell, smashed through these areas above 100% and push through. If it can't, then yeah, most likely stop out on a small SL. Not yet. I have not taken the TP yet. To be honest, I might not even take the TP. I'll just move my stops to break even. So I want it to smash through this 100%. I don't want it to play around with it. If it plays around with it, then I think most likely we'll be stopped out. If you want, you can take a TP over here. So that will basically make your day break even. You'll not lose anything. You'll not make anything, even if we stop trading right now. So yeah. And if you really are in this trade with me and you're gone to break even, congratulations. You have not lost money today. It's a nice day. Whenever I don't lose money, I think it's a nice day. Even though like today is a profitable day for me, but whenever I'm trading in a session and I'm like not losing money, I feel it's a good day to be alive. You know, a good day, and me following my rules, doing right things, and yeah, good day overall. Yeah. Let's see if we can close this with a fair value gap. If we do, I'll just move my stops higher. So if we leave a fair value gap here, I don't want that fair value gap to be inverted, and I'll just move my stops higher. So right now there is a fair value gap, 16 more seconds to go. So 15-second candle, please give me a fair value gap. And at the closure of this candle, I'll move my stops to this or this. I think this is better. Just a slight bit in profit. So no more stop loss, no more stopped out and loss, a slight bit of profit. If you guys have taken a TP, I'll say move your stops here. So this should be some profitability, at least to buy the the chocolate that your wife has been asking from you for the last 2 weeks on the chocolate day. You have some money to buy that shit at least. You poor fuckers. I am break even. Geo is break even. Geo is my man. I've started loving Geo. From the time he started using those emojis, man, I've been like, Geo, you are the man. Like, I don't know what your gift game is, but my gift game is fucking insane. Like, I can find gifts about everything. Everything. I don't know how. I just have this hidden talent in me to be able to find the best gifts possible. People, like, they request me, like a friend will message me, hey bro, I had a fight with my wife, what sort of gift shall I send her? And I'll send him a gift and he'll forward it to her. Like, that's my gift game. I can be a fucking consultant when it comes to that. Nice switch from, that's the game, right? That's the game. Bro, that's the game. Like, there are two types of people, two types of trader. One, oh, I'm going to be long because this is my long thesis and all that shit. Well, fuck the thesis. If you see something, you trade that shit, you make money or you lose money. You basically take a decision on either way. It doesn't matter if I'm right or I'm wrong. What matters to me as a trader is if I'm making money or I'm not making money. So with that nice, beautiful candle being made, I'm going to move my stops to the body of this candle because this is a displacement candle, right? If it closes the way it is, it's going to be a nice little displacement candle. So I'll just move my stops here. And at the close of this candle, I'll just move my stops here now. I mean, you don't expect a displacement candle to be totally engulfed. So yeah, I'll just move my stops here. What you will want to see right now is that this market keeps pushing until 25, because it's above 25,000 now. It should not go below 25,000. That should be the basis of this market. I am not going below 25,000 no matter what the fuck happens in the world. So yeah. So 25,984. So let's see what happens now. If we get a full TP, I'll just close this out. If you want, you can take another TP. I'm just going to go to 15-second time frame and just monitor this trade here, because I don't want to give back like more than 1 hour over here. Like, this is close to 1 hour. So I just want to see how can I improvise. So I'll just move my stop loss to 24,987. Okay, cool. That should be, oh fuck. Oh, okay, that's full TP. I'm out. I'm done. That's 2.93 hour delivered, 2.7 hour total for the day. I'm a happy bird. I'm a smiley boy. I'm so happy. I just want to dance. Do you want to see my naked dance? With clothes. Naked dance with clothes. So nice day. Drop some dubs, I think. That's what I learned from somewhere. Drop some W's, man. WW, DW, the win thingy. Drop them in the fucking comments. You know, if you comment more, people come to the streams more. If people come to these streams more, I become a millionaire quicker than I should be. So it's good for all of us. Because if I become a millionaire, I'll have more money to spend. If I have more money to spend, I'll be able to buy better cars. If I'm able to buy better cars, it's just better for me. And for you as well. I mean, there must be something there for you. I don't know exactly what it should be, but I'm quite sure there will be something. So just fucking do that. We'll talk about what's there for you. All right. Lovely little win. Lovely little win. Well done to everyone who were in part of the trade. So total day has now been around 2.9. So this is 2.93. The previous one was 0.3 hour, 0.4 hour loss, 2.5 hour. I think a good day of 6.5 to 6 hour, which is healthy day, in my honest opinion. I don't know how many YouTubers drop 7-hour days sitting there doing nothing, but yeah, nobody still comes to watch me. It's okay. Fuck them. Fuck all of them. Do we care about them? No, we don't fucking care about them. Good work, Gio. Good work. Close it. Buy the chocolate for your wife. She has been asking for it. Just go out and buy that fucking chocolate now. Okay, don't be a pussy and not buy the chocolate. Go and fucking buy the chocolate. Okay. With that, if there are no questions, I'm gonna run away. If there are questions, I'm gonna stay with you. I'm here for you if you have questions. I'm not here for you if you don't have questions. So the 19 people watching, ask something. Ask a question, I'll answer it. If you don't have it, tell me you don't have a question and say thank you so much, saying we love you, and I'll just fuck off. I'll give you 30 seconds. Or okay, let's do this. India is on 18th over. I'll give you the 18th over start in the first two balls of the 18th over. So answer it. Until then, I'm going to watch cricket. So cricket is ongoing right over here. Let me show you. So, oh, can you see? That's no. Fucking hell, this shit is good, man. It's hiding my cricket as well. I'm bringing my tab and it's saying that, oh, it's not a human being. She wants chocolate factory. Then take her to the candy shop. That sounds so. You said she likes chocolate factory. She wants chocolate factory, and I'm like, take her to the candy shop. Trying to pass top step. Fucked up today, dude. Why? Drop me a message, yeah, Gio. Drop me a text on Discord. Let's talk about what shit you are doing. You know, don't fuck it up, bro. You guys have worked very hard to be in the place you are. People don't understand what every one of us who are retail, we don't have the education, man. Like for the lovely 16 people, and fuck off the other 2-3 who went away, but people don't understand, especially our friends, you know, who are in their regular jobs. They don't understand how much we guys have gone through, all 17 of us, including me, to reach a state where we are, because we didn't have education, right? Nobody gave us education when we were small. We didn't study economics or that. Maybe there's someone who might have over here, but not all of us have studied economics, and not all of us understand everything about trading and the financial markets. We have worked hard to be where we are. As a retail, we are trying to educate ourselves, get better at what we do. So don't make foolish mistakes, Gio. I don't give a shit what happened. If you want to be a professional, if you want to make this a real thing, no stupid shit. Always remember small things, small wins, small steps that you take forward are the ones that will take you through. You know, that's what you need. Yeah, just stop it. Just close the fucking $1,200 trail left, whatever. Fucking close the trade. Close the trade, go chill, relax. You had a lovely winner. Enjoy that winner and chill, man. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for taking out time and being here with me. Why did you use 2-minute chart, not 1 minute for back-to-back fair value gap? This is why I love my mentees, man. They always have a fucking stupid question which I have to answer. Because they have paid money to me. I can't even say no. But yeah, let me answer, Nick. I'm sorry. No kakash. So why did I use the 2 minute? Because the 1 minute already ran through a lot. And so at this point of time, I was, let me bring the trade back. So when price was over here, right, I literally felt I have already, like, the trade is gone. Okay. But the 2 minute was not yet closed. And I was like, okay, 2 minutes about to make a fair value gap and all that stuff. So that is the reason I went to 2 minute. There was no specific reason that 2 minute I'm using. The only reason was it was more visible to me, Nick. That's how I will say it. I was able to see that earlier, and I was like, okay, the candle's not closed. If I get a 1 and the candle closed, it was a confirmation, and then the 1 minute gave me the confirmation that, oh, I have to enter. So it was just that. There was no logic as such. I would say that I was using 2 minute for XYZ reasons. So that's my honest answer. I don't want to sugarcoat it and say, oh, I just do this and that and all that stuff. I just saw it and I was like, okay, I can treat this. No kaka shit. Is that Gio Coco's friend? Oh, Gio is Coco's friend. Who's Coco though? Coco Melon. I've started listening to this nursery rhymes now. You know, I'll need them in a few weeks or months time. So I'm learning them. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Yeah, was on. Oh, nice. The winner was on cash account. That's good. All right, all right, all right. Cool, guys. Thank you so much. If you're not on Discord, please do join Discord. I would really love to have you all there to talk to you more because right now I don't talk to you much, but talk to you more and take care. Bye bye. See ya. Ciao.